What's up, everyone? This is the Case Breakers. Tonight, we're coming at you with a one-box break of 2013 Bowman Sterling football. We gotta give this some big stab mojo. Welcome to Brandon J, first timer on the site. What's up, Brandon? Alright, guys, good luck, everyone. That's the box topper. We'll save the box topper for last. Alright, empty box. And away. And away we go. Let's go with this one first. I don't think this one has an auto patch in it. Oh. Oh. I don't know. I saw something. I hope it is who I think it is, because that'd be a nice one for the first time. Tom Brady for the Patriots. Monty Ball. We got a 1 of 1 in the first pack, guys. Oh, boom, baby. Monty Ball for the Broncos for the first timer. Brandon J. Look, this is sick. John Barner, Carolina Panthers, 1 of 1. First pack, KCC. There you go, hon. We're going to put that back here, because that's where the autograph is. Oh, my Lord. Look at this patch. Oh, my. 53 of 75. Zach Ertz for the Eagles, going to the Case Breakers. Boom. And let's see what the autograph is. It's 5 of 50. Oh my God. Boom, baby, for the Broncos. Brandon J. Look at this first pack. Oh my goodness. 5 of 50. Wow, what? Boom, baby. That is sick. That is sick. And the 1 of 1 to go with it. That was a pack, guys. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. Boom, baby, at the Case Breakers. Let's do that. There we go. Actually, we'll do it like this so we can see that. Wow. That is just sick. Michael Leslie, that's going to the Dolphins. That's going to Brent M. And Chris Gregg for the Bills, that's going to Justin M. And can't get, oh, we can do this. Okay, here we go. We'll do the patch first. For the Dallas Cowboys, 86 of 1,214. Joseph Randall jersey, that's going to go to Bryant G. The rookie is Niall Davis. That's going to the Chiefs. That's going to Kenny K. And the autograph is Jordan Reed. That's number 191 of 361 going to Greg G. There you go, buddy. Get to pick that up tomorrow. Wow, I still can't get over that first pack. Oh, my. I want that card. I wonder if I could trade Brandon for some nice Vikings. Brandon, would you trade for some nice Vikings? DeMontre Moore. And that's going to Brandon L. Oh, look at this. Geno Smith. And I'm going to assume that's the black. 39 out of 75. Bryant G. There you go, buddy. Geno making a little appearance there. 39 out of 75. Nice. And we're going to turn this over. We know we got the Kerwin Williams. That's for the Indianapolis Colts. Kenny K. There you go, buddy. And the jersey is going to be Andre Ellington for the Cardinals. 162 out of 1,214. That's going to the case breakers. And the autograph, it's a blue wave for the Patriots. Nice. Aaron Dobson. 85 out of 125. Blue wave Aaron Dobson jersey autograph. And that is going to KCC. All right, Casey. I know you're going to like that one. Wow. I'll show you a card in a minute you might have to consider for, buddy. Sheldon Richardson for the New York Jets. Bryant G. And we can put that back here. Jamar Taylor for the Miami Dolphins. Brent M. Landry Jones for the Pittsburgh Steelers. And that's going to Brent M as well. Let's turn it over. We'll hit the relic. For the Bengals, Tyler Eifert, 126 of 1,214, going to Cody M. And the autograph is Luke Jokel for the Jacksonville Jaguars, Matt H. There you go, buddy. This stuff is sick. I like it. I am digging it. I am digging it. But I have a card you might like, Brad. You never know. First, we'll show the Aaron Dobson. That's going to KCC. That's the rookie. And a Jarvis Jones for the Steelers. That's going to Brent. And it looks like we have a blue wave. Desmond Trufant. Blue wave refractor 16 of 99. That's going to Matt R. And now for the hits. First, the relic for the Chiefs. Number 80008 of 1,214. Nile Davis. Kansas City Chiefs. Kenny K. And the autograph. Joseph Randall for the Dallas Cowboys. And that's going to Bryant G. This has got to be an autographed relic in here because this pack feels thick. Alright, we'll show the Keenan Allen rookie card. That's going to Brandon L. Chris Harper rookie. That's going to Brandon J. Kenjon Barner. That's going to KCC. And the relic is for the Eagles. Matt Barkley. Nice. Number 70 of 1,206. That's going to the Case Breakers. And the autograph is going to be out. It's not an autograph patch, but it looks like a gold. Wow. Brian Rockpo, number 4 of 25 gold refractor autographs. Greg G. There you go, buddy. 4 of 25. That's a little boom baby for you. And let's see what the box topper is, guys. Let's put a card here so we can do a little slide and tell. I think I know what it is, but I'm not 100%. It's going to go this way. Oh, I was wrong. It's going to the 49ers. Nice. 2-color jumbo. Look at how jumbo that is. Blue Wave Refractor, 21 of 171. Who got them 49ers? Matt Hart. There you go, buddy. Nice hit. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to check us out at www.thecasebreakers.com. Follow us on Twitter at TheCaseBreakers and check my eBay auctions. My eBay ID is TheCaseBreakers. Boom, baby!